Seeing a screen that says your iPhone is locked to its owner often triggers an immediate fear that your account has been compromised. Hey, it's Elliot from McCrunch. The reality is that most people confuse a simple device-level activation lock with a genuine security breach. In this video, we are clearing up the confusion between these two states. You will learn the exact technical differences, how to identify if your personal data is actually at risk, and the precise step-by-step methods to restore access to your device without unnecessary panic. First, you will understand the technical definition of activation lock versus unauthorized account access. Next, you will follow a diagnostic logic tree to identify your specific situation. Finally, you will learn how to fortify your Apple ID to prevent future security concerns. Heads up, this information is for educational purposes only. You are responsible for your own account security and device management. We do not provide professional technical support or legal advice. Always verify your identity through official channels to protect your personal data.
This segment is a paid partnership with Unlocksy. You can find an immediate fix for your iPhone lock to owner screen through this platform. Repair shops and phone resellers use this service to remove iCloud locks from iPhones, iPads, Apple Watches, and Mac computers. You get back full control of your device without any hassle. This method works in any country on every model and operating software version. Pay close attention now if you want to resolve your issue. Take your locked device and press the power button to turn the screen off. Turn it back on and select the eye icon in the bottom right corner to show the IMEI. Note the IMEI or serial number displayed on the screen. Write it down right away because this is a crucial step. Head over to the Unlocksy site to create a new account or login. Open their iCloud Unlock app and pick your specific device type. Enter that IMEI or serial number you just noted. Agree to the terms and click the button to unlock your phone now. Each unlock costs 50 coins and you start with 0. You can avoid purchasing expensive coins by hitting the Join button below this video. Pick the membership tier that includes Unlocksy access. Go to the membership tab on this channel and grab the gift code for 250 coins. This is a guaranteed way to get your credit safely through YouTube and Google Pay. Once you have your coins, submit your order and track the progress on their dashboard. The process is quick and the support team responds fast. Keep your device powered on and connected to Wi-Fi the entire time. When the status shows as finished, press the back button on your device. This forces a connection to the servers to pull the updated activation status. Your phone now lets you proceed. Skip through the setup and set up a new iCloud account immediately. This is a legal and constantly updated service for all models. Click that Join button now to get your voucher code.
Activation lock acts as a security feature tied strictly to your hardware. It prevents unauthorized users from resetting or using your device if it is lost or stolen. When this screen appears, it simply means the device remains linked to the original Apple ID used during setup. This is a local hardware protection mechanism. Conversely, an account-level breach involves an unauthorized party gaining access to your credentials to view your personal data, photos, or messages on your cloud storage. These are two distinct scenarios. One protects the physical unit, while the other protects your private digital identity. Understanding this difference helps you identify whether you need to unlock a device or secure your account credentials against intrusion. Start by checking if your device displays the Hello screen upon startup. If this message appears, your iPhone is likely awaiting setup after a factory reset. You should ask yourself if you recognize the email address partially masked on the screen. If you recognize the first few letters, the device is simply linked to your own account and requires your credentials to proceed. If the email is completely unknown to you, the device may be locked to a previous owner. Next, check your secondary devices or a web browser to see if you can sign into your Apple ID profile without issue. If you can log in successfully, your account remains secure and the issue is restricted to the physical device. Once you regain access, you must harden your digital perimeter to prevent future lockouts or unauthorized entries. First, enable two-factor authentication on your account settings page. This adds a mandatory second layer of verification that requires a trusted device or phone number whenever someone attempts to sign in. Second, manage your trusted devices list regularly. Navigate to the device section in your account profile and remove any hardware you no longer possess or recognize. Third, create a recovery key. This unique code provides a way to regain access if you lose your password or trusted device, but store it in a physical, secure location like a home safe. Finally, update your recovery phone number and email address to keep them current. You now understand that an activation lock is a hardware security feature, whereas an account breach involves your personal login credentials. By checking your startup screen and verifying your account on secondary devices, you can determine if you are dealing with a simple setup issue or a security concern. Implementing two-factor authentication and maintaining your trusted devices list will keep your hardware secure moving forward.
If this guide was helpful, we invite you to like and subscribe and enable notifications to informed on future updates and guides.